Hi guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to show you some really cool things I found for your American Girl doll and Barbie at the thrift store. The first thing I found I am super excited about is this little chest or this little drawer. It slides open. It's got a cute little star handle and it was only 99 cents at my local thrift store. So I don't know, put it beside the doll bed. It's kind of a funky pattern. I did look up the barcode here where it says luckylucky.com, and they appear to be an importer of wooden toys and other things. But I'm thinking this is just absolutely perfect for your American Girl dolls for their bedrooms or their living room. And it is wood, so I'm thinking, I don't know, should I paint it? Should I make it new? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments if we should go ahead and paint this and make it into something new and better. I don't know, maybe a nice teal across the top. I don't know, let me know in the comments what you would do. Would you keep it as is, or would you paint it and make it new? Then I found this cute little wooden birdhouse, and it's on a stand. It does stand up. There's a little, I guess, staple thing. I don't know what that's from. It's not actually hollow, but it would be perfect for Barbie, for outside of Barbie's dream house, or even just if your American Girls have a yard, you could just stick it kind of in the back as a background piece. You could paint it if you wanted. I think I'm going to just leave this as is. Maybe if I can find something small like a little bird, I could put it there. If not, I think I'm just going to leave this as is because it is so cute. And it's, pretty well made. The last thing, and I have seen these at the dollar store, but I found this at the thrift store and it was, much less than the dollar store. And I was looking at it and it could be a Barbie tub if you put your Barbie in it. But for American Girl, I was thinking for her bathroom laundry room, this is perfect. It's got the little cutouts for a laundry basket so she could put her clothes in it, put them into the washer and the dryer. I don't know. Lots of ideas. What do you guys think? I'm thinking laundry basket. So these are the cute little things I found today. Let me know, what's your favorite? Is it the cute little 99-cent wooden table? I mean, you could even just take that part out and put it this way and it could be a table stand. Put your TV on it. You put the drawer back into it. Put it beside as a bedside table. That's really cute and it's well made. The laundry basket or the birdhouse. That's all I have for now, guys. Make sure when you are out shopping in the secondhand stores, garage sales, Walmart, Target, that you look around and find things that aren't necessarily meant for your dolls, but would be great accessories. Again, make sure you follow me on Instagram and share all of your wonderful craft ideas. That's it for today. Bye, guys.